What does a retail specialist, a customer experience specialist, a coach, a copywriter, a speaker, and a podcaster have in common? Well, in this case, these are all people who don't just rest on their laurels in their respective fields. These are just some examples of the people in my network who share and engage with others online, and perhaps more importantly, they continue to learn. For this, I commend you. In my books, you are all amazeballs. Happy holidays, everyone. I look forward to seeing your content in the new year.